Philip and Mendes Cohens are suing the Commonwealth of Virginia for unlawful conviction on a charge of selling illegal lottery tickets. The Cohens maintain that the law passed by Congress in 1812, establishing a lottery to fund the District of Columbia, supersedes a state law that banned the national lottery. After the Cohens appealed to the Supreme Court of the state court's verdict, which was in favor of the state of Virginia, the Commonwealth of Virginia is denying the court's right to review the case, claiming its sovereign immunity. This is case number 264 of the calendar on the matter of Cohens versus the Commonwealth of Virginia. All parties have been sworn in, so you may have seen.
Mr. Cohen and Cohen, you have both been convicted by the Commonwealth of Virginia for violating a state law regarding the sale of illegal lottery tickets within the state.
Yes, Your Honor, we were, but it was the national lottery that would help fund the District of Columbia.
Ah, I see. So what happened following that?
Well, we had to pay a fine of $100 for selling the tickets, but we felt that was unfair, so we went to court with Virginia.
And what did the state court of Virginia say?
They sided with Virginia, so we decided to appeal the verdict, and here we are now arguing about this stupid case.
Do you maintain your innocence based on the law passed by Congress in the year 1812?
Yes.
Your Honor, there's some liars.
Excuse me? Was I talking to you? Mr. Cohen, as you were saying?
Yes, Your Honor, according to the law of 1812, the City of Washington, District of Columbia, has the right to draw lotteries to help fund the city.
So why am I here if federal law says you are innocent?
I don't know, ask those hicks.
Why am I here if the federal law says that the plaintiffs are innocent?
Because that law ain't just. You ain't got no right to come into our state and tell us what we can do and can't do. Plus, why you gotta hear this case? This ain't none of your business.
Excuse me, who do you think you are? You're just some sorry lawyer for you hicks down in Virginia. I am the Supreme Court in the United States of America.
Can we get back to finding if I'm innocent?
Watch your tone, young man. Okay, Virginia, now why do you think you are correct in this matter? The federal law clearly states that the Capitol has the right to draw lotteries.
Well, if you would just take a look at the 11th Amendment that I have right here.
Bring it to me.
It states that the Commonwealth of Virginia is immune to any lawsuits or legal action, except when the sovereign, Virginia in this case, consents to them.
Thank you, I can read.
So, really, we shouldn't even be right here. Mrs. Cohen have already gone to court once, and it was ruled that they would have to pay a fine. It's just a little money from their precious bank accounts. Deal with it, boys.
Wait a minute, you mean to say that y'all are wasting my time on some court case that has already been decided on? Okay, go ahead, Mr. Cohen. What do you have to say for yourself?
Yes, this case was reviewed in a state court.
Then why the heck are we still here? Bailiff, get them out of my sight.
But wait. Your Honor, according to Article 3, Section 2 of the Constitution, the Supreme Court has jurisdiction over all court cases involving law and equity. Furthermore, in Section 6, the Supremacy Clause states the federal law is superior to state law. Therefore, our selling of lottery tickets was actually not unlawful and the fine should be repealed.
3 hours later.
I've made my final decision.
Dear God, I hope that this wonderful Supreme Court will rule in my favor. I have worked so hard.
Pshaw, what you talking about? All you do is sell tickets, and you don't.
Enough. Enough. All of your voices are giving me a huge headache. Plus, do you want to stay here any longer?
No, Your Honor.
Then shut up, will you? Okay, on to the verdict. I'm sorry, Mr. Cohen and Cohen, but you must pay the fine because I cannot alter state law. However, I do uphold y'all's right to appeal any state convictions in the federal court. Furthermore, the state of Virginia, or any state in this great country of the United States, may not interfere directly or indirectly with the governing of the District of Columbia. Case dismissed.